Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use ChatGPT to write your CV or cover letter. Using ChatGPT to write your CV and cover letter can help create a polished, targeted document that aligns with your career goals. Use a step-by-step guide. Collect essential information. For your CV, list your previous job titles, employers, employment dates, education, skills, certifications, and any relevant accomplishments. For your cover letter, have the job title, company name, and job description ready, along with a few key points you want to mention about your experience or skills. Access ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and log in. Start by crafting the CV with ChatGPT. Begin with a prompt. Tell ChatGPT what you need. For example, I need help creating a CV for a specific role position. Then go to the job post and copy the specific role, paste it into the specific role, and click on the arrow upwards. Once the ChatGPT responded, reply to this chat. Yes, my work history includes list of jobs, years of experience, and specific skills, and any notable achievements. Can you help me format and structure it for me? Go back to your CV, then copy all of the information here, paste it on the highlighted text, and click on the arrow upwards. The ChatGPT will give you a well format of your CV. You can also ask for specific sections like prompt ChatGPT to help you with sections one at a time. Experience. Based on my work history as job titles, can you help me write strong bullet points to showcase my responsibilities and achievements? Summary. Can you create a professional summary for a CV aimed at a specific role? Generate your cover letter. Start by pasting in the job description and giving a bit of a background about yourself. Use specific prompts to guide the structure. Opening statement. Can you write an engaging opening for a cover letter applying to this job post? Now, go to the job post, then copy it. Paste it on the job post, then click on the arrow upwards. Wire fit. Use my background, include relevant experience or skills. Can you explain why I'm a strong candidate for this role? Now, copy the information, then paste it to the highlighted text and hit the arrow upward key. Closing statement. Could you help me write a closing that expresses enthusiasms for the role and invites further discussion? Then hit the upward arrow key. Edit and review. Carefully read through ChatGPT's drafts and make adjustments so the content reflects your personal voice and accurately represents your experience. Ensure your CV and cover letter are aligned with the job description and free of any generic language. Format and save. Copy the completed text to a Word or Google Docs document or Canva. Apply any formatting you need, for example, headings, bullet points, fonts. Save the document as PDFs for professional presentation. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.